and I'm going to show you with an example that's 20 lines right here, so a standard smaller data set. And we've got another one that goes all the way down to 529 lines, just to show you how easy and scalable this process is when you put it together. So the first thing we do is click anywhere in the data. We hit Insert right up here, Pivot Table. You'll see that it goes all around. You can just drag it all around your data, hit OK. It's going to give you a whole new sheet. And we have the same categories right here. All we do is drag them where we want. So if we want to change the rank, let's say we want to filter for the top 5, we would drag it into the filter section. That pops up right here, and all we do is click these buttons. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we'll have the top 5. But we have to put players in there. So we want players to appear right here. That's a row. So we take player, row, drop it in. There they are. Then we are going to go to games. And I want to know how many games they each played. We want it to be right next to these, but a value. So we'll drag games right to values. Game, value. And then if we want to see points, we'll find where that one is. Points. And again, it's a value. We're going to put it right here. Drag it there, and there we go. We can do the same thing if we want to do it by team. So let's say that we want to look at, where is it? Team. We'll take team, and all these items right here are just the same thing you have in your column headers right here. So everything that goes down the top row, that's what you're going to see. So all you have to do is drag it around. So if I want to get rid of, let's say, well, let's just take team. We'll put it, actually, let's go with point guard, or position. Sorry, I'm thinking the other way. You take position, drag it under player. So what we're going to have is it right under the player's name, it'll say their position. Position under player in rows, let it go. There we go. Point guard, shooting guard, power forward, shooting guard, and point guard. Now, we are almost at 2/3 through, so we're going to go to the big example. We're going to do it fast. So what we want to do, insert, anywhere in the data, insert, pivot table, hit OK. I want to see positions. So let's say position, and let's go position in columns. So we have our positions. We want to see points. So we go down here, find points, and we want the values. So we'll drag it there, let it go. Shooting guard scored this much, and we've got all our different positions right here. Then we will go with the team. And let's say we want to organize by team, so we drag team right into rows. It's going to show up right here. Team, and there you go. So Atlanta, their center, throughout the season, scored 546 points from that position. Cleveland, center, 1,344. And you can do all of that stuff, but let's say we want to view something as a percentage. You can change that, so if you want to go, you right-click anywhere in the data, and you show values as. You can do percentage of grand total, column total, row total, anything you want. So all you do is get in here and play with it, change it to what you need. Hit that, you see that, 2.61, and you'll see you have your distribution. They all sum to 100. You hit Control-Z, you can always undo something that you want to do. But we'll look at it, so let's say we get rid of team, we'll go with player. So we want to see teams, players in rows, we drag that. And then we can do a rank as well. We put that in the filter, we just drag it down. Click here, let's look at top 10, multiple items, uncheck, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hit enter, and there we go. So of the top 10 players, mostly point guards and shooting guards, and we have a few power forwards in there. That's it. So we got 15 seconds to spare. That's pivot tables, the very basics, and from there, you got to chop up the data however you want. You can show it fast, and good luck. I'll see you next time.